What's up, you guys? It's Dr. Furrukh here today, and we're going to be talking about 6 businesses that rarely fail. Starting a business can be very daunting. With so many statistics about failure rate floating around, it's very easy to feel discouraged. But here's the good news. Some industries are far more stable than others, consistently showing lower failure rates and steady profitability. These businesses are backed by strong demand, essential services, or are scalable methods and models that just keep them thriving year after year. Today, we're going to be exploring 6 types of businesses that rarely fail, based on the latest data and statistics. If you've been dreaming about starting a business but want to minimize risk, these could be your golden ticket. Hey, what's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Furrukh, and I'm here to help you achieve financial independence, build wealth, and live life on your terms. If you're ready to take control of your finances and your future, you're in the right place. I'm a first-generation immigrant who started with literally nothing. My journey began in high school with a simple t-shirt business that I grew in high school and later sold in college. By the time I turned 30, I had done over $10 million in gross sales and launched multiple successful businesses in retail, fitness, e-commerce, and even consulting. Today, I live life on my own terms, and I'm excited to teach you how to do it too. On this channel, I share you the tools, the strategies, and the mindset it takes that help me build success from the ground up. Whether it's real estate, growing a business, or tackling financial challenges, you'll find actionable steps, real-world insights, and the motivation to create your dream life. If I can do it, so can you. So hit that subscribe button and join me as we work toward financial freedom, step by step. Let's build your legacy together, and let's jump back into today's topic. Number 1 is laundromat. Laundromats are the unsung heroes of the small business world. They offer a recession-proof model, consistent demand, and low labor costs. Unlike other retail businesses that depend on trends or seasonal spikes, laundromats serve a very basic everyday need: clean clothes. And why they rarely fail? The key to a laundromat success lies in its simplicity. The business model is straightforward. Customers pay upfront for self-service, washing machines, and drying, which means no worrying about unpaid invoices or chasing down payments. Plus, the overhead costs are relatively low. Most laundromats operate with minimal staffing, and the biggest ongoing expense is maintaining the machine. Laundromats are also location-driven businesses. Placing one in a densely populated area with limited in-home laundry options absolutely guarantees a steady cash flow, pretty much, of customers. Apartment complexes, college towns, and urban neighborhoods are prime spots. According to industry studies, laundromats have a 94.8% success rate and often generate cash-on-cash returns of 20 to 35%. The equipment, while costly upfront, lasts for years, meaning ongoing expenses are usually minimal. And during economic downturns, laundromats remain essential. People may cut back on luxuries, but they will not stop doing laundry. In recent years, laundromats have started to modernize, offering services like Wi-Fi, coffee bars, and eco-friendly machines. This is not just about doing laundry, it's about creating a community hub. Next, we have vending machines. When you think of a vending machine, you might picture chips and sodas in a dusty corner, but the vending machine business has evolved into a dynamic, scalable, and surprisingly lucrative industry. Entrepreneurs are finding success by placing machines in high traffic areas and expanding to offer everything from organic snack to tech gadgets. And why they rarely fail? Vending machines are the ultimate low maintenance business. Once you purchase and place the machine, it requires only occasional restocking and basic maintenance. This means that you can manage multiple machines with minimal effort. Startup costs are relatively low, usually ranging from $800 to $5,000 a machine, depending on what it sells. Location is everything. Airports, gyms, schools, and office buildings are very high performing spots that guarantee consistent foot traffic, and since machines can operate 24/7, you're earning even while you sleep. According to recent industry data, the vending machine business has an 82 to 90% success rate, making it one of the most stable entrepreneurial ventures. It's also highly scalable. You can start small and grow your operation by reinvesting profits into more machines. Modern vending machines are equipped with card readers and mobile payment options, making them more accessible to today's cashless consumers. Some even offer fresh meals, skincare products, or personal protective equipment, proving that the versatility of this business is definitely there. In Japan, vending machines sell everything from hot soup to umbrellas. Entrepreneurs in the US are catching on this trend and introducing far more diverse product offerings than we've seen before. Number 3, we have healthcare services. Healthcare services are a cornerstone of any society. Their stability is unmatched. From hospitals and clinics to home healthcare and personal care services, this industry thrives because it fulfills an essential human need. With an aging population and rising healthcare demands, this sector is growing rapidly. Why they rarely fail? Healthcare services are non-negotiable. People don't stop needing medical care, regardless of the economy. Whether it's routine checkups, emergency treatments, or even long-term care, the demand is always there. This consistent need makes healthcare businesses resilient even during recession. The industry also benefits from government funding and insurance reimbursements, which add layers of financial stability. Entrepreneurs can choose from a range of niches, including telehealth, physical therapy, and senior care. Home health care, in particular, is booming as more families seek personalized care for elderly relatives. Some additional insights for you. According to Forbes, the home healthcare industry alone is projected to grow by 33% just between 2022 and 2030. Baby boomers who are aging into retirement are driving demand for services like physical therapy, nursing, and personal care. This creates endless opportunities for small businesses to thrive. Healthcare entrepreneurs can also benefit from technological advancements like wearable health devices and AI diagnostics, which open doors to innovate businesses even further. The most profitable healthcare startups often focus on convenience, such as mobile blood testing or virtual consultations. They're proving that even in healthcare, innovation is a key to success. Number 4, accounting and tax prep services. While taxes might be everyone's least favorite topic, not for me, I enjoy them. They're a goldmine for accounting professionals. Accounting and tax preparation businesses are essential for individuals and companies alike, ensuring consistent demand year-round and major surge every tax season. Why do they rarely fail? Accounting is one of the most stable professions because it's rooted in necessity. Individuals need help filing taxes, and businesses need ongoing bookkeeping, payroll, and financial advice. This creates a client base that isn't going anywhere. Operating costs are low. Many accountants and tax preparers work from home or small offices, relying on software to streamline their services. Additionally, this business fosters strong client loyalty. Once someone finds an accountant that they trust, they're likely to stay with them for years. Small accounting firms have a 96% survival rate, one of the highest in the business world. Tax prep services are also seeing steady growth as tax codes become increasingly complex, pushing more people to seek professional help. Digital services like cloud-based bookkeeping have definitely further expanded the reach of this industry, allowing accountants to serve clients nationwide. Offering bundled services such as tax prep combined with some financial planning, it's a strategy that many firms use to boost revenue and keep clients engaged year-round. During tax season, accountants work like crazy hours, but the payoff is huge. Some firms generate 70% of their revenue in just those 3 months. Number 5, we have auto repair shops. Vehicles need maintenance and repairs no matter what's happening in the economy. That makes auto repair shops one of the most recession-proof businesses. From routine oil changes to major engine overhauls, these shops provide services that drivers can't live without. So why do they rarely fail? The auto repair industry thrives on necessity. Cars break down, parts wear out, and regular maintenance is crucial for safety and performance. During economic downturns, people are more likely to repair their current vehicles rather than invest in new ones, which increases demand for repair services. The businesses also benefit from repeat customers. Drivers often stick with the same shop for regular maintenance, creating a very loyal client base. Additionally, auto repair shops can diversify their offerings, such as specializing in EVs or providing fleet maintenance for businesses. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the auto repair industry shows steady growth, with revenues climbing year over year. Independent repair shops often outperform dealership centers thanks to their personalized customer service and competitive pricing. The rise of EVs present new opportunities, and shops that invest in EV repair training and equipment now are definitely positioning themselves for long-term success in the growing market. Because let's be honest, it's very difficult to repair a Tesla because it's so expensive. And here's a fun fact for you. A well-run auto repair shop can generate 6-figure profits annually, making it a lucrative choice for mechanically inclined entrepreneurs. Not me. Next, we have number 6, which is real estate rental and leasing. Real estate has always been a stable investment, and the rental and leasing sector is no exception. With proper planning and market research, businesses in this field can achieve consistent income and long-term appreciation. Why did they rarely fail? Well, real estate rental and leasing thrive because people and businesses will always need space. Residential rentals, in particular, remain in high demand as home ownership becomes less accessible for many. Commercial leasing is also a reliable income stream, especially in prime locations. The business model provides steady cash flow through rental income while offering potential for property appreciation as well. Landlords who diversify their holdings, such as owning both short-term Airbnb rentals and long-term residential leases, can weather the market fluctuations more effectively. According to the National Association of Realtors, demand for rental properties continues to rise, especially in urban areas and fast-growing regions. Short-term rental platforms like Airbnb, VRBO have further transformed this industry, allowing property owners to maximize profits by renting out to travelers. Real estate leasing also offers tax benefits such as depreciation, deductions, which can significantly reduce that taxable income that we're all trying to do. Fun fact for you, a single Airbnb property in a desirable location can earn as much as 3 times the revenue of a traditional long-term rental, if not more. While no business is entirely risk-free, these 6 industries have consistently demonstrated resilience, profitability, and low failure rates. Whether it's the essential services of healthcare and auto repair or the scalable models of laundromat and vending machines, these businesses stand out as strong options for aspiring entrepreneurs. Which of these businesses caught your attention? Let me know in the comments below, and if this video gave you some entrepreneurial inspiration, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell for more valuable insights. Success might not be guaranteed, but starting smart in one of these industries gives you a head start toward achieving your goals towards financial freedom. Thank you.